Most people think they're afraid of investing because they don't have enough money. That's not true. The real reason is much deeper, and once you understand it, investing becomes less scary than doing nothing. Almost everyone wants to invest. They watch videos, they save posts, they even say, "I'll start soon." But weeks turn into months, and months turn into years. The moment they think about starting, fear shows up. Fear of losing money, fear of making mistakes, fear of looking foolish. And fear is powerful because it feels logical. The first fear is always the same. What if I lose my money? That question alone has stopped more investors than bad investments ever did. So people choose what feels safe: doing nothing. Doing nothing feels safe because there's no immediate pain, no red numbers, no losses. But what most people don't realize is that doing nothing is still a decision. While you wait, time keeps moving. And time is the most expensive thing you can lose in investing. Not money, time. Then comes the second fear. I don't know enough yet. So people keep learning, but never starting. They mistake information for progress. They tell themselves, just one more video, just one more book. I'll start when I'm ready. But ready never comes. Deep down, there's another fear. Regret. What if I make the wrong choice and regret it forever? Ironically, regret usually comes from not starting at all. Investing feels like a huge leap. People think they must get everything right from day one. Perfect timing, perfect strategy, perfect amount of money. But investing was never about big leaps. It's about small, boring, consistent steps. You don't need confidence to start. Confidence comes after you start. The real question isn't, what if I lose? The better question is, what's the smallest, safest step I can take today? Fear doesn't disappear before action. It disappears because of action. If you're a beginner and you want calm, simple investing explained clearly, subscribe to John Invests. We don't rush, we don't gamble. We build, slowly and smartly.